Hi, it's your delivery truck. No, I'm on my way there. I'll be there at 4 o'clock. Okay. Alright, thanks. Hello.
Hi, Marloon.
Hey.
Yeah, had a...
Hello.
Hello.
Hey, the signal's not good. I haven't been able to hear anything so far.
Hang on, man. You there, man?
Yes.
Yeah. So, I've had a person email, a shitty email, who's the owner of one of a car company we cart stuff for, who's been following you around New Plymouth and said you've been driving really fucking erratically.
Oh.
Now, what's going on, man? Because this just happens too often, eh? Like, I've to the point where I don't even address with you every complaint I get about you because it's just fucking honestly. So, I've seen your driving, man. You need to fucking calm down when you're in our trucks, man, eh? Alright?
Well, it surprises me because I've been nothing but calm all afternoon.
But what, sorry?
I said I've been nothing but calm all afternoon.
Yeah, maybe you're being too calm, bro. You got to remember that you're driving a truck and, like, you know, you might be laxed out and, you know, leaning around corners and stuff like that. But, like, you got to remember, you got to, like, just try and make it look professional, you know?
Right. Okay.
You know, like, you might be all chilled out and having a great afternoon and fucking driving and turning around corners a bit late and shit, because that's what you fucking do, which is, you know, I understand that. I do that sort of stuff too, but generally in my car. But yeah, you just got to remember the truck, you just got to make it look like fucking professional as, you know what I mean? Because fucking people just complain about anything, man. I've got to address it.
Yeah, well, I mean, I never ever run a stop sign. I come to a complete stop at every stop sign. I don't know how to, you know, like, I think the main thing that might freak people out is when I drive on the wrong side of the road rather than driving close to the cars. You know how streets are narrow and there's, you know, you're driving around cars. You might as well be all the way on the wrong side of the road, so it's really clear to oncoming traffic that you're coming around, you know, but...
Yeah, I guess stuff like that, you probably want to try and stay as left as you can, mate. Even though I understand what you're saying.
Well, I just believe in...
If it means you have to slow down or stop a little bit to fucking let someone come the other way, then so be it, you know what I mean?
Yeah, well, that's right, yeah.
Gun it and fucking scoot it out and gun it back in. It's just because other people see that shit and they're just fucking, you know, they get all wound up about it.
I know.
You probably feel completely in control and, you know, like you fucking know what you're doing, but yeah.
Yeah, okay. Well, thanks for calling to have a conversation about it so I can be aware.
No, I mean, that's all it is, man. It's just about awareness and the perception of other people, which, you know, I don't like fucking doing things because other cunts tell me to either, but sometimes it's just what has to be.
Yeah, okay.
Alright then.
Sweet as. I'm just about to go do that last drop, the household, and then I'll retire.
Sweet, mate. No worries.
Okay, thanks. See you tomorrow. Later.